welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to build a checklist to raise your score 50 plus points in Credit Sesame. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to build a checklist with actions that could raise your score by 50 or more points, you need to focus on the top factors affecting your credit, your payment history, and credit utilization. So once you are in your Credit Sesame account, you can simply be careful about these things. Credit Sesame emphasizes a personalized approach based on your credit profile, which can access via their service. So you need to make sure that you need to have a very good payment history, like pay bills on time, and then you need to simply set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you miss no due dates. You can also make sure how much amount you have used or like you owe to someone. You can also look up to your credit report accuracy, credit age, new credits, and some credit mix. So this is how you can simply build a checklist to raise your score 50 plus points in Credit Sesame. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.